Sports and Nutrition Haiba Hiramda Numit humni chupna pangthokadouba National Workshop among ngasi Manipur University ge court holder houdok khre. Tormaduda Manipur University ge Vice Chancellor Professor N. Lokendra Singh, Manipur University ge Dean School of Human and Environmental Sciences Professor S. Jivan Kumar Singh amasung Food Corporation of India Regional Office Impal ge former Deputy General Manager amadi Olympian Ketremium Thoiba Singna mathang shitna chief case President amadi Guest of Honor oina saru yakhi Thoromaduda Manipur University ge Vice Chancellor N. Lokendra Singh na phongdorakpada Manipur asi sanabagi lamda mai pakpa lamda mamani hauji fawada Manipuri sanaroi Singh na makoi gi haijaba sanabagi lamda malem gi thakta yobung amle bahak na makhatana Manipur University na Indian University ge Association da thangta asi hapina bahaina haijakre haiba wafum su phongdorakhi.
As our very learned Shri Thoiba has already stated, some of the basic staple food items in Manipur, maybe rice, maybe vegetable, and let us not forget that we consume all kind of aquatic plants. Practically 90% of the plants that we have in the water, we use to consume it, and we take all sort of, practically almost every living objects in the water. In fact, Manipuris are lacustrine community. They are actually people who settle down along the river, along the lakes, and therefore, since their habitations are all the time near the water, they are, they are a community. Manipuris are a community who are very adept and skillful in using all kind of biotic and other, say, flora and fauna which are available in the water and around the water body.